all of these people from all over the world made money using this website for completely free. And I will show you a bonus in this video that will allow you to earn far more money. Keep watching to find out how. Just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you want to see more, give this video a thumbs up below. I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't already, be sure to click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. With that said, let's now get right to it. Okay, so the first site I'll be going over today, and the site that will make us money in passive income, is called fileupload.com. This is far from the only platform I will be showing you, however. We will combine this site with a few others in order to make this work, so please keep watching and don't skip ahead, otherwise this most likely won't work for you. With that out of the way, let me explain what this site is. As the name suggests, and as you can see on the homepage, this is a free cloud storage for your data. But this site is unique. It doesn't just store your data, but it allows you to make money whenever someone downloads any files you've uploaded on here. The more people download them, the more money you will make. To see exactly how much money you can make, all you gotta do is click on Make Money right here. And as you can see, you get paid $7 per every 1,000 downloads. Now, I know that isn't a lot, but the thing is that this site gets literally millions of visits per month. And I know that thanks to this site I've mentioned quite a few times already called similarweb.com. For those oblivious, this site will give you detailed information about traffic that a certain site gets. It will show you stuff like where people are using it from. And as you can see, countries like India, Morocco, Indonesia, and many others are among them. So this site is worldwide available, and I know that many of you watching this are not from Europe or North America, so this site will most likely work in your country. Something else SimilarWeb can show us is how many people visited a website in a certain period. And as far as a file upload is concerned, the number is close to 30 million people in the past month. And if that's not enough, we can see that the numbers have been rising for quite some time. We have a 24% increase in traffic from the month of February, which is a huge change. In any case, the point is here that although you only get paid $7 per 1,000 downloads, File Upload gets millions of visits, and so you will be able to get quite a few downloads most definitely. However, I will show you in this video how to get traffic from another source, so you'll be able to maximize your profits, so stay tuned for that, guys. Anyways, another great feature of this site is that you can check out the payment proofs by clicking right here. So if you have some doubts about it, be sure to check them out. Now, in order to get started with making money with this site, you need an account. So go ahead and create one by clicking on Sign Up right here. Enter in your username, email, password, and payment information, and click on Submit to create your account. Before we move on, something of note here is that when you click right here to choose how you want to get paid, you'll notice that this site offers you a whole bunch of different payment options. For those of you who love PayPal, it's available. For those of you who either don't like PayPal or it's just not available, you've got other options to choose from. So not only is this site mostly available worldwide, but it can get you paid in a variety of different ways, which is fantastic. With that said, guys, now that you have your brand new account, you will need to start uploading files in order to get paid. So let me show you a site that is perfect for that purpose. The site in question is called freeplrdownloads.com. This is a website some of you have perhaps heard about by now, but for those of you who haven't, FreePLR is a site where you can download PLR products, with PLR standing for Product Label Rights. What this means is that on here you can find products that you are free to use however and wherever you want to, so you can modify them and upload them on Free Upload easily. You can sell them as they are and claim that they're your own. You can do whatever you want with them, literally. Furthermore, you have a bunch of different types of products to choose from, and they can all be in these niches as you see below. Affiliate marketing, business, email marketing, internet marketing. There are literally too many of them for me to read out loud for you. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I will be focusing on the Make Money Online niche. As such, I will pick internet marketing to use as an example. Something to keep in mind is that you don't have to pick the internet marketing niche per se. The health niche, for example, would be just fine as well. In any case, when you pick your niche, you'll be taken straight to this page, which will show you all products that you can pick. And you will want to look for ebooks in particular. They are arguably the best type of product to use. For example, here are a couple of ebooks I found, one relating to affiliate marketing, the other relating to internet marketing, and you'll want to download one of these ebooks in your niche. When you do so, your next step is to come back over to File Upload. In order to upload your files, just click on File Upload, then on this icon right here, and find them on your PC. Since I've already uploaded my file, I won't do that. In any case, people will now start downloading your files on here since, as I said, this site gets a lot of traffic. I, however, also said that I will be showing you how to boost the downloads so you earn even more money, and we will be doing that through Instagram. Your goal now is to create a brand new Instagram account that is related to the type of ebook you downloaded. Since my ebook is in the internet and affiliate marketing niche, I set up my account accordingly. You'll want to upload a profile picture relating to your niche. Set up your bio and paste your website link. You'll do all of that by clicking on your profile picture and then on Settings. The link to your file upload link you will want to paste where it says website. In your bio, you will want to type in stuff relating to your niche. I typed in business, as you can see, but more importantly, just below that, I typed in grab your free ebook below. When you do all of this, your profile will now look like this. And so the last thing we need to do in order to get traffic is followers. And you will also need some posts on your Instagram account, so let me show you how to get both. In order to get followers for free, what you can do is type in the search bar hashtag and then your niche. I typed in hashtag online business, as you can see. This will show you a bunch of posts from a bunch of different pages, and you will now want to find a decently big page and open it up. When you do, you will click on followers here, and you will want to follow all of these people. And I can guarantee you that the majority of them will follow you back, simply because we know that they're already interested in this niche. So when they see a profile like yours in the same niche, chances are they will follow you back, which is ultimately what you want. Doing it this way will take a bit, but after a couple of days, you can expect a few thousand followers. In case you have a bit of money to spare, you can use a site like influencercart.com, where you can find and pay a big page on Instagram in your niche to promote you on their story for as little as $10. Both of these methods will work, but if you have some money in your pocket, I highly recommend the second one. Now, as far as posts are concerned, you'll want to type in hashtag and your niche, and you can either download the posts as you see on here, or go to certain pages and then download them from there. Either way, what you will need to do when you find a post you think is fitting for your page is copy the link of that post, go over to downloadgram.com, paste the link, and download the photo for free. You will then come over to your Instagram account and upload it. And when you do, make sure you credit the people in your description, and in this fashion, you'll be able to easily get a few posts on your Instagram account. With followers and post guys, people will now start clicking on the link in your bio, and using Instagram, you will be able to boost your numbers of downloads to a lot. And you'll be making money in passive income with ease from there. And with that, this is it for today's video. If you liked it and want to see more, give this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on any of my upcoming uploads, then click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching and see you all soon.